Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas Realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Kalea Bay. It's one of DR Horton's new community and today is their grand opening. They are introducing two floor plan, the 1795 and the 1865, and we are going to tour the 1865 two-story homes priced at 421,990, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. I'm going to show you guys inside of the house. Welcome to 1865 plan. Again, this is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. As soon as you see by the door, there's a video doorbell, smart lock, keyless entry here, and on this side, this is a coat closet, and there is a smart panel inside. And you're looking at your open layout area. This is the living room. Again, this is a model home, but pretty much everything that you see here is included. All the stainless steel appliances, refrigerator, oven, microwave, the dishwasher on this side right here. I love the color of the cabinets. This is a pretty spacious area. Now let's go check your backyard. So this is the backyard. It's already landscape, but this is part of the upgrade. This is perfect for relaxing. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna show you the powder room on this side right here. It comes with a pedestal sink, and also right across you're gonna see the walk-in pantry. Lots of space. And on this side, this is the 2-car garage, but unfortunately it's locked, so I'm not able to show you. Now let's go to the second floor. And right here is the loft area. This is a perfect space to relax, especially if you have kids. You can turn in this area into a study room. Now let's look at your shared bathroom. It's nice. Right here is your tub and shower combo, a toilet, and now let's go check the first bedroom over here. It's a nice space. Love that they added that window. This side is your standard closet, very deep. I'm gonna show you another bedroom over here. Also have this nice window and a standard closet. And also in this room, they added one recessed light. And this side, this is another room, but they use it as an office. But you can always convert it to a bedroom. It has a standard closet also. It's deep, plenty of space. Now, let's go check your laundry area. This right here, washer and dryer is included. Also the shelvings, this is already included with this house. Now you're looking at your primary bedroom. It's very spacious. Now right here, this is your primary bath. I love it. Plenty of space. Dual vanity on this side. And this is your private water closet. Stand-up shower. And this side is your walk-in closet. Comes with space. Here again, this is the 1865 one. So the price is $421,990. 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage. And this concludes our tour. Again, this house is 1865, price at $421,990. Everything that you see in this house, all the appliances, stainless steel, refrigerator, washer and dryer is included in this house. The blinds and also the HOA is $65. And this area is very convenient. Around the area, there's plenty of grocery stores. It's near the Aliante Casino, and there's plenty of entertainment around this area. So if you have any question, you can contact me at 310-848-5693. Again, my name is Agnes Collera. Shout out to Ray from New York. I hope you like this home, Ray. Let me know.